Retail fam, good morning, good day, good evening, good night, wherever you are in the world. Welcome and be welcome over here. We're gonna do a very special vid today, a very special vid. I think that a lot of retailers are waiting for this vid. It's going to be my last vid. I'm going to be off the charts, and so I'm not going to do a vid the coming week, and I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do, what altcoins I'm going to buy at what ranges, and what I'm planning, what my plan is to gain something from these markets, what I'm expecting also. So that's what we're gonna talk about. It's going to be a long vid, so you can put me on YouTube, you can put me on 1.5 or 1.25 because I'm not going to talk a bit fast. So just speed it up at 125 or 1. You can go to the settings on YouTube, speed, put it on 125 or 150. If it's too fast for you, put it on 125 because it's going to be a bit of a long vid. I'm going to talk about all the markets, so I'm going to give you guys a big summary of everything and explain you guys why I'm going to do what I'm going to do. So it's very important that you really focus, and we're going to talk about a lot of altcoins. So I'm going to share my top 10 altcoins I want to buy on the next dip, and the altcoins that I think have got the biggest potential to grow. So the altcoins that I'm going to share are not the ones that paid me to share them, like most of the influencers on YouTube. No, I never took money from any project. I don't have any contact with any project, and I don't want to have any contact with any project, because the moment you have that, you're not objective about anything. Then it will be a shill vid. I don't shill. So focus on what I'm going to say. These altcoins I'm going to share are based on fundamentals a little bit and a lot about TA. So we're gonna start off with Bitcoin, but before I start off with Bitcoin, yesterday I and the team, we decided to close the open chat group. So everyone that has gotten in and is seeing it himself getting removed from there. I've pinned an explanation on X, so I'm not going to repeat myself on that. Guys, it's very simple. If you want to join the private group, you have to be using Weeks or Maxi. And Weeks is doing some great stuff. I today asked them if they want to do one more extension of the $300 campaign. You have to watch my Weeks tutorial. There will be a pop-up over here, and then you can get a free trade. And it's really, guys, I explained everything over there in the Weeks tutorial, so go watch it over there if you can. There is no exchange out there that has a campaign like this, when you can get on a $300 deposit, you can get a $300 refund to trade with. So meaning, if you're going to trade and you lose the trade, you will get a second chance to win your money back. So that's about Weeks. So I'm gonna post it on X if the extension will be approved. So if you wanna join, I pinned on X. There is a link of a Telegram channel. Everything is explained over there, and you will get also access to the private chat rooms where the retail fan members that you saw, like the Dark and Bash and etc., all the ones over there all day long, sharing charts, sharing alpha, sharing news events, showing whatever. It's all free. So if you want to join that community, you want to see them, the requirements from the team are Weeks or Maxi. So just go to the Telegram channel, and there you'll see it. And by the way, guys, since you're listening to this, I'm really working hard. I'm very grateful to every single one of you guys. I reached 1,000 subscribers. It's really madness. You know, I'm no commercial marketing expert or whatever, but I've been working hard, and it was really, I want to thank everyone for the 1,000 subscribers. And guys, this is where it starts. When a YouTube channel gets 1,000 subscribers, that's when it starts. So if you want to help me, please push that like, make a comment, whatever it is, or put in your altcoin that I missed today, that I did not share, because there are a lot of altcoins, guys, but I have to make a decision which altcoins I'm planning to buy. And it's not based on Probably there will be a lot more other altcoins, but I will share those in the private, and I will also share them on X, by the way. So if I'm planning on some new project or some new something that I missed, but for now, the 10 altcoins that I'm going to share, those are the ones that I will be buying, and I will explain you guys, just like always, why I'm buying. So it's not like I'm just saying, just buy this altcoin, it's going to moon. When you see someone saying something like that, it's a red flag. It's a red flag. It's a big red flag. It will probably be a pump and dump coin. So, okay, so let's dive in, because we're already 5 minutes and we didn't even jump into the charts. Okay, Bitcoin. Bitcoin, guys, it's very simple. Bitcoin is in one big FOMO mode. It's really, I tweeted about this. I Congrats to all the ones, all those shillers that have been bullish on Bitcoin from here, and they were also bullish on here. So that's okay. Well, bad joke, bad joke. Okay, so Bitcoin, guys, what we're seeing is on the weekly, this thing is just ramping up like crazy. There will be a moment, let me put it on the daily that you can see it better. Look, when you see this, just like we saw it over here, boom, retrace. Boom, retrace. Boom, big retrace. So that retrace is coming. Either it's coming today, tomorrow, next week, the week after, I don't care. But that retrace is coming. So that's also when I will start to buy the altcoins that I'm going to share. So understand this thesis, what I'm saying now. I'm not going to FOMO in. I'm not going to FOMO in while Bitcoin is rocketing up. I will probably be doing a lot of trades. That's another thing. But for spot buying, I'm not going to buy in while this thing is just ramping up. Let me put on the indicator. By the way, the indicator, guys, it's very simple. I've been sharing this indicator now for I don't know how long, for years. I opened up a TG group and I shared a code over there for free. Everyone that got it, congrats. If you want the indicator now, you have to get into the private group, and that's where the indicator will be provided for free. So you cannot find it anywhere else anymore. The indicator, you can get the code if you get into the private. That's it. Because the problem is, I'm doing a lot of open chat groups and I'm getting hacked. People in the groups are getting scammed, etc., etc. So much. There are more scammers in the world than good people. It's really mind-blowing. So sad. But so the indicator, best indicator in the world, in my opinion. If you want to use it, if you want to get it, you have to get into the private. And the requirements of the private is using the max or the weeks link. Okay, so what did we got over here? We got here over here. Over here we were just traveling above the indicator. We're traveling above it, above it, above it. We lost it here. Remember when I told you guys we lost the indicator? A lot of shorts were opened by the team over here and they made sick gains. What I didn't like was the fact that we didn't come back to retest the breakout of the 200 EMA. So there was a lot of buy pressure over here. This was very strange to see. This was showing that bulls are really strong. So we didn't even get into the 200, because you have to know, from October 23 we didn't test the 200 EMA. It's mind-blowing. It's mind-blowing. And where is the 200 EMA at this moment? It's at the 37k levels. 37k levels. So we reached over here, but we didn't test this one. So this is something to keep in mind. We didn't test the 200 EMA yet. So we ramped up, we broke above it. This is beautiful. Look at this, guys. Look at this. On the nose, it's really mind-blowing. On the nose, you see it on the nose, and then over here again, boom, boom, and bye-bye. Off she went. So for now, the first moment that I'm eyeing, we need a retrace. So the first level is the 45, 44k level. That's the first one. But I think that if Bitcoin will drop to 44, 45, I think that dominance will drop hard, and I think that altcoins will gain a lot of strength. So what I'm hoping, this is a prediction that I'm going to make. I don't know how much higher this can go to, 20, 52, 53. Maybe it will get rejected at the line that I shared yesterday. But no matter where it goes, Maybe they need to liquidate a little bit of more retailers over here, but it will come back. When it comes back and it starts ranging, this is what I want to see. I want to see a range. So let's see, Bitcoin drops down from whatever here. Why is it also yellow? Put it black. And it starts going, and then a dump here, and then a dump here, and then start ranging over here. So it will lose momentum. This is when altcoins will probably start mooning. This is where altcoins start mooning, is if Bitcoin starts to range sideways, because we didn't see that over here. And I expect that we will see it over here. So it needs to start moving sideways, and this is where altcoins will find their momentum and will rock it out. And that's something that I'm preparing for. I'm preparing for Bitcoin to top out over here, come back, and start ranging, and that's when the moment will come to buy some altcoins. So I'm going to show you guys my top 10 altcoins. So it's time that we dive in. And number one, GLMI. As you guys can see, this is the chart that I made, and you know, it was, this one should be over here, but I nailed this chart again and again. As you can see, this chart was shared, by the way, I don't know how many days, weeks ago. And as you guys can see, because this is an old chart, it's still in white. As you guys can see, we hit this zone in perfection. Can you guys see it? We hit it in perfection over here. So over here, we're ramping up again, and we probably, I don't know if we're going to break out or not. So, but this is the GLMI. So we came back to revisit this box. We had this box, we have this box, and we came back. So am I expecting that this box will get broken? I think that this line will hold, to be honest. This is what I think. So GLMI on the BTC pair, it's gaining momentum, it's gaining strength, and I think it's just a matter of time, and we will get. And by the way, even if this trend line gets broken, we're still in this box. So as long as we're in this box, I'm pretty bullish on the BTC pair of GLMI. So no matter where it goes, let me put on an alarm, because I'm charting live with you guys. I didn't prepare any of this or these altcoins, guys. I'm just opening the charts for the first time, just like you guys, and I'm just, let me put on some alarms over here, because GLMI. So GLMI is the coin that I will be buying. So if Bitcoin starts dipping and GLMI starts coming down, and especially if we come down to the trend line, from the trend line to this line over here, I will be DCA buying in GLMI. Now let me go to the USDT pair. So I think that one is much more important for you guys to understand. As you guys can see, GLMI is really killing it over here. It's really, this is why, guys, I've been sharing GLMI from here, maybe from here. Yes, from here I was sharing GLMI. So the ones that have been focusing could be already in a 3x, 4x. But this is just the start, in my opinion, for GLMI. GLMI, this is just the start. So let me see, this line, this support line over here is, I think, a good region to start DCA buying GLMI, because the 30 cents, excuse me, the 30 cents regions are looking pretty good over here. So let me say it like this: put on the indicator 33.30 cents is a start DCA buy for me. So I will start DCA buying GLMI over here. Let's just hope that Bitcoin doesn't crash down to 30k or 20k or whatever, because in that moment we will probably get much lower. But in the most bullish case, I think that if GLMI will come back to the 33 to the 30 cents levels, I will start DCA buying. By the way, guys, if you're super bullish on GLMI, you don't want to miss out the indicator 37 cents. So you can start DCA slowly at 37 cents and then come down. But for me, I'm not in a hurry, and I'm not, we got this sort of double bottom. Maybe we'll get the triple over here. So everything in these regions, 33 cents, 32, 30, you can even buy at 34. It doesn't matter. Just buy in how you like, just DCA. Just make sure that you've got enough cash on the side to buy more if this thing drops down. So that's something to keep an eye on. Okay, so that's about GLMI. My next one is JLO. JLO, guys. And JLO is looking on the BTC pair much more hungry to buy in than GLMI. And guys, we are in the box, but Bitcoin is still not correcting. So guys, whatever happens over here, JLO will be also, this is my number 2 coin of the list today. Guys, by the way, my top 3 altcoins, I've shared them. JLO, GLMI, Flux are in those. So watch that video if you didn't watch it. So now, today I'm just choosing them randomly. There's no top order. So guys, JLO is in the box. JLO, based on the BTC pair, has got a lot of space to really rock it up. And as you guys can see, we're having here a sort of, it's coming down here. It's getting blocked down. So guys, if my alarms goes off over here and Bitcoin made a nice correction, I will start buying JLO. I'm super bullish on JLO. Let me go to the USDT pair. USDT pair, guys, as you guys can see, well, I didn't hit this one because on the USDT pair, it's just ramping up with the USDT with Bitcoin. So for me, it's very simple. This is where I will be. If this thing comes back, you can start buying from the indicator on the daily. But to be conservative, I would like to see this thing. Let me remove this one, by the way, guys, to get it better. I'm waiting for this thing to come back to this region over here, 62 until 59. So 62, 59 over here. We can do something like this, going up, come down, a double bottom, and from here on go look for much higher prices. So for me, JLO, everything on 63, 62, 61, and especially this box, guys. If we can manage to get this double over here, this would be very super bullish. We need Bitcoin to crack them down to make its nice correction, and boom. So for me, JLO 62, between 62, 63, 64, doesn't matter. You can even buy it at 70 slowly on the indicator if it's wanna hold over there, and then 63 to 59 I will be buying. If Bitcoin will start crashing and this thing comes down, I will just buy a lot more. But again, I'm not expecting JLO to drop much more. Why? Because we are pretty wrecked regions over here. So I don't think that JLO can drop a lot more. I think that JLO, this will be the max, 63 to 59, and from here on it would be a super buy-in, I think. JLO. So JLO is my second one, guys. Let me go to the third one. Look how bullish this thing is looking. This is Musk. I think that Elon Musk need to pump. Musk need to do something because he's working on the payment services on X. And well, Musk, guys, look at this also. Look at this, guys. Just look at this. Look at this. I enjoy these charts, by the way, guys. I can get very excited seeing these charts. You cannot get me excited when a chart is rocketing up, but you can get me excited when I see charts like this. Look at this, guys. This is the BTC pair on Musk. How this thing, it's just a matter of time and this thing will fly up just like I'm showing you guys. It's just patient, guys. And this thing is really getting into really good buy zones versus Bitcoin. Not versus the USDT, but versus Bitcoin. So guys, put your alarms. My alarms are set. I will be buying a very nice bag of Musk over here, and it would be a super double, triple, even a triple. 1, 2, 3. This would be a triple on the longer run. So guys, I'm super bullish on let me put it on the weekly so you can see it better. Look at this, guys. Up, rejected, double, down. Look where we are, guys. This is I'm getting excited when I see charts like this. This is super bullish. So for me, Musk, getting into these regions, it will be a buy for me. Let me go to the USDT pair. How is it looking? Okay, let me put it on the daily. Let me put it on the daily automatic. Okay. Oh, Musk, as much as it's looking good, on the BTC pair. On the USDT pair, it has been ramping up a bit over here, coming down. So put your alarms over here. This is there's a very strong support level on the indicator over here under 3.4. So if you want to DCA, slowly buy. But for me, you guys know me. I like to buy low because of why Bitcoin is too high for me. But you know, if you don't want to miss out, start 3.4 to 3.4, start DCA slowly in. I'll be waiting to the $3 range. I love to see the $3 range, so I will be waiting over here. And if I miss out, I'll be trading it on some breakout or whatever on the lower time frames. But for me, a nice buy over here to continue the bullish trend will be at the $3 ranges. So over here in this box, this is where I'll be. And if we will lose this trend line, by the way, guys, that would be very bearish. So you have to be careful. That's why you have to really keep an eye on. Then we could even drop to the $2. So this will be a big drop of maybe 20-30% on mask. So this is something to keep an eye on. Keep in mind that you have a lot of cash on the side. But for me, it's you know, they called me in my previous life, they called me always the cash king. Always when I was trading, I was investing, always were people, yeah, but we don't have any money anymore. We're all in. And I was always, oh, I still have got cash. I always have cash. And why do I have cash? Because I have to always be ready to buy more if this thing decides to drop more. So let's hope that this thing will hold at $3. If we will drop down, lose this trend line, maybe you could get out and just sell and wait for lower time frames. But for me, mask at $3, this will be the moment to rise if we will get here. So that's number, what was it, number 3 or 4, I don't know. Okay, let's go to the next one. Very bullish on, and everybody knows this. Cody, guys, I've been saying this for weeks, months now. If you want to buy a coin, let me put on another chart. This one here is much better. If you want to buy a coin, if you want to risk your money, buy Cody. It was a 79 million. I've said it in my previous Cody vid. I've said it and said it and said it again. If you want to risk, high reward, this is the lowest risk with the highest reward is Cody. It was 79 million, guys. Well, if you listen to me past time, you could already have doubled your money over here. The ones that I was talking, because I've been talking about Cody over here, you would have tripled or 4 times your money already. So Cody, guys, Cody, especially if Cardano starts ramping up. Cody is heating up. I'm telling you guys. Listen, I'm not going to ape in here. I'm going to wait for the retracement. If it doesn't happen, I will be trading a lot of Cody. So in the private group members, if you're watching this vid, prepare yourself. I will be trading a lot of Cody. And when I'm saying trading, I mean a lot of longs. Team will Cody, guys, Cody can make you a lot of money if you know what you're doing and when you go in. Cody. So for now, it's very simple, guys. We've got over here the wait a minute. Let me put on the Cody BTC chart first. Look at it. Look at this, guys. We made this rise up. We came down. We retested the 2 in DMA. And as you can see, I wanted to get into over here. Come here. It needs to come back over here. But this thing, guys, it looks like it went up. Let me put it on the weekly. Look where we are, guys. We are still here. Zoom out. It's not as if Cody has, we made a nice triple 4x, but it's nothing. It's nothing. We didn't even get into the 200 EMA regions over here. And you know how much this is? This is a lot of gains. This is 80% up. Still have 80% to come. But you know, let me show you guys this one. Cody, let me put on, because on the weekly it's really looking super bullish. If Bitcoin starts ramping up, Cody might go to the 120, 130. So I don't know if we're going to get a chance to get some spot buys, but even though, if we can get down, this is the regions that I will be buying. It's over here. So Cody went to what was it, 110 almost, came down. So these are the regions I will be eyeing to my exam Cody, between the 70 and 50 cent, between the 70 and 50 cent. Let me put on my alarm. 70 to 50 cent start this year buying Cody, 70 to 50 cents. I'm very bullish, guys, on Cody. Just to say, I'm really very bullish on Cody, and I think maybe we will not get the chance to get filled over here because this thing is too bullish. I'm telling you guys, Cody is really bullish, and I don't know what's going on with Cody. Maybe they got some events going, but Cody is looking really bullish. So I'm really hoping that we'll get a chance on the retrace. So if Bitcoin starts dropping, keep a good eye on Cody. So if it shows a lot of strength against Bitcoin, it doesn't want to come down, just look at it. But I'll be waiting 70 to 50 cent. That's when I'll be buying some Cody. So that's it. Okay, let's go to the next. Flux. Flux, yes, Flux, guys, Flux. It just don't come down. Since I made the vid, the thing just won't come down. I really don't get it. This thing just won't. You know, guys, it's my #1 small altcoin for the midterm long run. It came back to the 50 cents on the nose on the indicator, as you guys can see. Guys, if you don't have this indicator, you're really crazy. If you're watching this vid and you don't have this indicator, you're crazy. Because this indicator is better than the ones that shillers sell for $1,000, $2,000, $3,000. This indicator is better. I'm showing you how it's better. Look at it. I didn't draw this indicator or whatever, if you think. Look at it. Break up. Retest, retest, up, back, retest, up, back, retest, up. This is no coincidence, guys. This you can open up any chart you want, put on the indicator, you'll see the same. So for now, guys, I'm very sad that I've got a little bit of flux. By the way, I bought it, I think, on this on 49 or 50 cents, something about that. I've got a little bit of flux, but it's not enough. It's not enough. I need more. I need more flux. I want more flux, but I want cheap flux. Okay, guys, about flux, the box is over here. I've shared it over here. Let's hope that something happens and this thing will just go down to the regions of the 36 to the 45 cents. If this thing happens, if flux decides to go over here, why this keep getting into yellow? So where if flux comes back to the trend line, I will be buying a lot of flux. That's all I can say. I will be buying a lot of flux. This is no shilling. I'm just saying what I will be doing. I will be buying a lot of flux if we come back to this box of everything. You can even say, yeah, you know, I will just buy on the retest on the weekly, on the indicator around 52, but it doesn't matter, guys. You buy at 55 cents, 52 cents, 53 cents, you buy at 43 cents, 40 cents, 38 cents. It doesn't matter because flux is for me a hodl, and you guys know me. I'm no hodler. I'm no bag hodler. I'm no bag hodler. So for me, if this thing comes back to the 40 cents, to the 38 cents, guys, I will be buying a lot of flux. And you know, again, I'm no bag holder, but I will buy this one and I will just hold it. I don't care. I will hold it. I will hold it. It doesn't matter if it takes me 1 year, if it takes me 6 months. I don't care. I buy a very, very nice big bag of flux and I will just hold it. Where is my flux BTC pair? Why are you not here? Let me put on. Oh, we don't have a flux BTC pair, I think. No. Okay, or do we have it? Let me check it. Flux BTC. A minute, I'm not so sharp today. Flux BTC. Oh, we do have it on Binance. Okay. So let me check it. Let me check. Aha! Guys, look at this. How do you not get excited seeing this? Come to the box. Come to the trend line. Come, baby. Come, let me buy a nice big bag of flags. So if this thing comes back into this box, the alarms are already set. As you guys can see, I'm prepared for it. So I'm just waiting for it to hit. So, okay, let me see, what do I have got more for you guys? I have to go to another list to see what I've got more. Yes, let me go to the ETH narrative. ETH narrative, guys, and this is one altcoin I'm really eyeing, and you guys know it. You guys know it, everyone knows it. I'm waiting for LRC. Come, let the alarms need to ring over here. Let me put another one. Guys, we've got this falling wedge. We've got this big double on the weekly versus Bitcoin. Guys, look at this, 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 look at this. We've got this falling wedge. We've got the double over here. 98% down from all-time high. This thing, look at it, up, down, up. And we're now in the down regions. The only thing we need is freaking Bitcoin to make a dump. That's the only thing we need. If Bitcoin start dropping down, if my alarms goes off versus Bitcoin, this is looking super bullish. Okay, let me go to the USDT pair. How is it looking over there? How is it looking over here? Well, well, LRC is bouncing with Bitcoin now on the rise. We're even breaking above the indicator on the weekly, which is super bullish, by the way. But I think that if Bitcoin starts dropping, correcting, I think that LRC will drop also. By the way, guys, just to keep it simple, to make not this vid too long, everything over here in this box I will be buying. And if it goes lower, I will buy more. So for me, it's very simple. Come back to the 20 cents regions. We're now at 24. Come back 20 cents, 18, 15, whatever. Everything in this box I will be buying LRC. Yes, I just love LRC, and I think that LRC is a coin that can make me a lot of money in a very short period of time. I'm waiting for this explosive rise up, as you saw. Boom, boom, boom. And so for me, LRC is just a coin I want to make a very easy money. And if I don't get hit and we break out of this, I'll be buying LRC on the breakout. So okay, so that's about LRC. What do we've got more? We've got something more. What was the next one? Let me see, guys. What was the next one? The next one. Yes, this is, by the way, a shitcoin, guys. It's getting shilled on CT. A lot of people are shilling the shit out of this one. People are very bullish on this one. It's a new coin, and when a new coin has got a lot of potential. So we've got this rise up. It's a shit coin, guys. Do your research on this coin. I don't know this coin. It's getting shilled like crazy, but I had to add one gaming coin, GS with USDT. I think that it's a gaming coin. I'm not even sure if it's a gaming coin. What is GS, G Swift? I think it's a gaming coin. I think that's the reason why I put it on my top 10. So I put my alarm over here. It's very simple, G Swift, and if it comes over here at this box over here, I will be scooping some. But guys, this is low, not a lot of money. So G Swift, guys, I don't know a lot about it, so do some research about G Swift. So G Swift is also on the list. Let's go to the next. The next will be yes, GRT. GRT, let me put it on the weekly, guys, so you guys can see it. GRT, this is the trend line, and GRT is so wrecked, but this is a pretty high market cap coin, so it's just a degen on it. And guys, for me, a buy of GRT is very simple. Start to DC at the indicator. Let me put on a box over here. This is for me GRT. So GRT is very simple. Everything from 14 cents and lower, I will be buying. I will be buying GRT. Okay, next coin. Next coin, not what was my next coin? What was my next coin? It was Ocean. Ocean, guys, same over here. It's gaining momentum, etc. The trend line is where I will be eyeing Ocean. So it will be, by the way, if we get some big crash or whatever, this box would be a beautiful bottom at 11 cents, but you will be totally wrecked over here. So I will be buying here at 35 cents at the trend line. I will be buying DCA, buying in. If we lose this trend line, I will be buying very big in this box over here. So that's about Ocean. What did I miss? There was another one. There was one. Yes. Where can I find it? Let me find it. There's DSO. Let me use this one. This coin is also, guys, it's in the moon. So as you guys know, I don't buy coins that already rocked up. But guys, this coin is getting shilled like crazy. It's really madness. So for me, DSO, guys, DSO is, if we get a drop in this box over here, by some miracle, some big drop, let me put on my alarms. I will buy some DSO. Let me put on my alarms. So DSO, everything around $23 until the $17. I will buy some DSO. DSO is very, very bullish. Let me see. Oh yeah, there was one coin. I missed one coin, and then we're gonna close it up, guys. Let me go to the dot. So yeah, baby. Look at this. Akala. Polkadot is heating up, by the way, guys. Polkadot, I've said it in my previous vid. Polkadot, the ETH narrative is coming, but I've got some kind of a, I think that Polkadot will go together with the ETH narrative. And guys, keep an eye on Polkadot. Polkadot, Giromar, Akala. Look at Akala, guys, against Bitcoin. It's super wrecked. Let's go to the, look at this. Beautiful. It's just a beauty. Look at this. It's just a beauty. We broke out of the indicator. And guys, I didn't draw this indicator. It's here. Look at it. Rejected. Break up. Come down. Retest. This is the most bullish thing. And boom, off she went. Because this is, guys, don't underestimate this. This is almost a 70% move. This is a very low cap coin. So Akala is very simple, guys. If it gets back to the indicator 0.0779 or 0.86, whatever, this is just buy and hodl, and wait for the dot narrative to explode, and this thing will explode also. So everything from 80 to 60 to whatever, just DCA, but it doesn't matter. These are just, you buy it, you hodl it, and when we ramp up, you start selling it. That's Akala. I'm not saying that Akala is a super project, but Akala, when it comes down, dot narrative start ramping up, I just buy some over here. Let me put on my alarms, because my alarms are not set. Put on my alarms like this. So Akala, everything, especially over here, guys, 60 to 80 cents. 60 to 80 cents is for me a buy on Akala. Okay, guys, well, I'm how much? 38 minutes. Oh my god. Okay, guys, this will be the last vid for the coming week. So I'm not going to do a lot of I'm not going to do another vid until a week. So stay safe, all you guys. Make sure to have this indicator. It's your best friend. It's what makes you money. It's what protects you from losing money. I've been saying it again and again and again. This is your best friend. This is the one that shows you when to get in. This is the one that shows you when to get out. This is what protects you against FOMO. This is what helps you when FOMO hits in to find an exit. Guys, this is the one. This is the one. So if you want to join us, go to my X. It's pinned over there. I will leave it pinned over there also. I will not remove it, so the vid will get under it, I think. If you want to join the private, go to the link to the TG group. Everything you need to know is over there. And I want to thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to put on the like and a comment. And until the next one, and bye-bye.